So everything will come over from our picking department after it's palletized, packaged, everything's ready to go, labeled up. Over here, it's gonna come over to the shipping area. Once it's over here, we'll go ahead and process the paperwork based on the labels that we got from the picking and packing area. That will spin all the documentation we need. It'll also tell us our delivery dates and our shipping dates to meet those delivery dates. Once we're done processing, we'll wrap and weigh, stage, make bill of ladings, and the truck will pick the orders up. So what they're gonna do is they're just gonna basically get the documentation ready, and then once that's completed, they can stick it on the scale over there next to that forklift, get the weights of each individual handling unit, and then they can stage it behind you, make the bill of ladings for the different trucking companies. Once that's done, the trucking company will be ready to back the truck in, we can load them, they're out the door and go. Anything that you see with shrink wrap on it, like the stuff behind you, that is all completed processing, ready for a pickup. I personally like working in a fast-paced environment, and I like the challenges that come with this job. I also like some of the freedom that I get from my superiors and my managers to be creative, come up with new processes, and ultimately fix things on our own.